Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Dolby Atmos not working in Amazon Music. So if your app's Dolby Atmos is not working, it's usually because of device support, settings, or the audio outputs you're using. So to fix the issue, we'll need at first to make sure the song supports Dolby Atmos. So not all songs have Atmos. You will need to look for the Dolby Atmos badge on the track, okay? And try multiple songs and playlists. So if there is no badge, Atmos won't active. Okay, also you'll need to enable the Dolby Atmos in the app, so just open the Amazon Music and then tap on the profile icon that's located at the top left corner of your screen, and after that just go with the settings or the third last option that you can see on that menu. Okay, so actually it's the third last one, so just tap it and then right here inside the settings you will need to look for the Dolby Atmos, or an option that says spatial audio. Okay, so as I told you, you will need some versions to find it. Okay, so in my current version or the latest ones doesn't have that option. So if you can visualize it, just go ahead and set it to automatic or always. Also, you'll need to check if your device supports Dolby Atmos. So Atmos only works on supported device, okay? So it works best on newer Android phones like Samsung, Xiaomi, etc., and devices with built-in Atmos support. And the older or basic phones may not support it at all. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.